All right, guys. We're going to go do some running around today. We've teamed up with Jackery. They sent us the Jackery 300 Plus. It's a cool little power station that we are going to be using in the next week and show you how useful it can be. We are going to go camping, hiking. Jenny is constantly taking pictures and B-roll and stuff around the property and on our adventures, so she needs to have portable power to charge up her cameras, and she's pretty excited to have this little unit, and we're going to show it to you.
This is super cute. I like it. It's this tiny little, look at how little it is. It's the first solar generator for your backpack. It fit right in there. And look, it's super lightweight. So it's not too heavy. It's easy to carry around, which I like. Some of the other ones are a little heavy. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up, guys. This unit's really nice because it comes with a solar panel too. So you don't have to buy it separate or anything, which is nice.
So when Jackery contacted us and asked if we'd like to work with them, we were very excited. They're the leader in portable clean energy solutions since 2012. They've brought the latest in battery and solar generator technology to millions of outdoor enthusiasts and explorers around the world, helping people adventure better and be prepared for natural disasters and emergencies, both at home and off the grid. All right, guys, we're going to go run around the property, do a few things, and bring the Jackery 300 Plus with us. And Jen's going to do B-roll and get some good footage for you.
Yep.
So it's a perfect little unit for anybody who does photography or for camping. If you were a tent camper or like have a small RV like we do, the pop-up camper, it's going to be perfect for stuff like that. It'll run your lights, it'll charge your phones, charge your batteries, charge the drone, all kinds of good stuff.
Yeah.
Has a built-in light on it. Perfect for stuff like that. Look at that. Jen loves these things. She gets so excited about these small portable power stations. She gets such a kick out of them.
It's a wheel.
The Jackery 300 Plus is brand new to the market. Comes with a 40-watt portable power solar panel too. What are we doing?
Going hiking. Scout's working. Scout's the working dog. It's his job.
He's carrying his own water, him and Timber's water.
And their treats.
And some treats. Ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Over this way, buddy.
Whatever.
Look at that, guys. Nice little overlook here. So the Jackery 300 Plus is a solar generator in your backpack, coming in at 288 watt hours with a 300 watt pure sine wave inverter. It's the smallest Jackery solar generator. Just because it's small and lightweight doesn't mean it doesn't have great options. It has dual PD charging ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices at the same time. Jackery has a smart app control at your fingertips. So with Jackery, safety comes first. The 40 watt mini solar panel is IEC certified by TUV and IP68 waterproof and dust resistant. It's also built with powerful lithium-ion batteries. Jackery's goal is to be sustainable and build the next generation of generator. This includes being whisper quiet and emission free. So the Jackery 300 Plus is an extremely affordable way to get into the solar generator market. But if you need a larger unit, please check out the Jackery 1000 Plus or the Jackery 2000 Plus, depending upon your needs. Make sure you guys check out the links in the description box below and the first pinned comment to the Jackery website. We'll give you the best deals that you can find on a Jackery at this time. We'd like to thank Jackery for sponsoring this video and sending us the Jackery 300 Plus. We're really excited to have it, and we really appreciate their support here at Off Grid with Jay and Jen. Rock and roll?
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, so another great thing we found we use the Jackery 300 Plus for is while we're traveling or commuting or, you know, going back and forth to town, we can charge the dog's collars. They have these tractives, that GPS collars, we can find them. And Jenny could use her laptop, sometimes edit some photos, and sometimes she could work while we're commuting. We want to thank you guys for letting us tell you about the Jackery 300 Plus. If you're looking for a solar generator, power generator, please check it out in the links in the description box below. We have fun with these videos and love showing you guys products that we could use here around the property. We went on our camping anniversary trip and had a great time, did that hiking. We worked around the property here a little bit beforehand, and we've been using this thing for a week and we really enjoy it. Thanks again, guys, for letting us tell you about it, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Thanks for